Twinkl Original Explorers Plants. Welcome, explorers. My name's Monty, and I love gardening. My grandpa taught me lots about plants and how to take care of them. There are so many different types of plants. If you look carefully, you might spot some that you've heard of here in Monty's garden. Trees, herbs, flowering plants, shrubs, grass, ferns, bushes, seeds. What is a plant? Plants are living things. They need water and air to live. They also need enough space to grow. Plants can make their own food using sunlight. Water, air, sunlight. Parts of a plant. Plants can all look very different, but they have lots in common. Most plants have flowers, stems, leaves, and roots. Flower, stem, leaves, roots. Roots. Most roots grow down into the soil. They are strong and help to keep the plant in place. These roots are quite small, but some roots can spread out for miles underneath the soil. Roots. Roots act a bit like straws by sucking up water and food from the soil. The food is so tiny that we can't see it. It helps the plant to grow. Stems. Stems hold plants up. Stems have small tubes inside them which carry water and food up from the roots to the rest of the plant. Stem. In trees, the stem is known as the trunk. Trunks are made of wood and covered with bark. The biggest trees in the world can grow to the size of skyscrapers. Trunk. Tree trunks work in the same way as plant stems. Giant sequoia tree. Leaves. Leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make food for the plant. Sunlight, water, air. Flowers. The flowers on a plant usually have petals. Many flowers make a sweet liquid called nectar and a yellow dust called pollen. Fact stop. Insects, such as bees, love to drink nectar. Strong smells and brightly colored petals help insects to find the flowers. Insects spread pollen between different flowers because it sticks to their bodies. Plants use the pollen from other flowers to make seeds. Petals. Fruit. All fruits come from plants. Fruits contain the seeds of the plant. Some fruits grow on trees, like oranges. Some fruits grow on vines, like grapes. Some fruits grow on bushes, like blackberries. What is your favorite fruit? Seeds. Most new plants grow from seeds. Many seeds grow by themselves when they fall from flowers and trees. Sometimes humans plant seeds in their gardens, homes, public spaces, and on farms. Fact stop. Some seeds grow inside the flower of a plant. Some seeds grow inside fruit, like apples. Some seeds grow inside cones, such as pine cones. How to plant a seed. Make sure you have a pot that is big enough for the plant you want to grow. Some plants need lots of space. 1. Fill the pot with soil. 2. Put the seed into the soil. 3. Water the seed. 4. Leave the pot in a place with the right amount of sunlight and air. 5. Water your plant regularly and watch it grow. Seasons. Plants do different things depending on where they live, the weather, and the season. Spring. Lots of flowers bloom in spring. Summer. Lots of fruit grows in summer. Autumn. The leaves on some plants change color and drop off in autumn. Winter. Some plants, called evergreens, stay green all year round. Where do plants live? Plants can be found in many places all over the world. Desert, cold places, rainforest, plain, city, woodland, water. Rainforests. Rainforests are very warm and wet. Plants love this type of habitat, and some rainforest plants grow to be enormous. Cold places. Some plants can live in very cold places. They grow low to the ground to avoid the icy winds. Lots of the plants grow in clumps to keep themselves warm. Deserts. Deserts are very dry. Only certain types of plants can grow there, as there is very little rain. This means that there is not much water for them. A cactus can store enough water to last for a long time. Some cactuses can live for up to 2 years without having a drink. Water. Plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. Some live underneath the water. Some float on top. Lily pads float on top of the water so that they can collect sunlight. What are plants used for? Food. A lot of the foods we eat, like fruits and vegetables, come from plants. So does cocoa in chocolate and flour in bread. Different foods come from different parts of plants. Roots, seeds, fruits, nuts, flowers, leaves, stems. Some plants are dangerous to eat. Never eat a plant unless your grown-up says it's safe. Wood and paper. Trees give us wood for building all sorts of things, including houses. Paper is also made from trees. Clothes. Plants like cotton are used to make clothes. Why are plants important for the planet? Without plants, no other life on Earth could survive. As well as giving us food, they also give us some of the air we breathe. Humans and animals need oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is found in the air. When we breathe in, we use the oxygen for our bodies, but we breathe out the parts of the air that we don't need. The leaves of a plant then use sunshine and the air that we breathe out to make food for the plant. When plants make their food, they also make oxygen. The oxygen then goes into the air. Looking after plants. Plants are amazing. Here are some things you can do to protect them. Don't waste paper. The more paper we use, the more trees need to be chopped down to make it. Let wildflowers and weeds grow freely. Recycle things like clothes and books by taking them to a charity shop. Be gentle with plants and care for them. Plant trees and flowers in your garden or anywhere else that you are allowed to. What will you do to look after plants? See how many you can spot next time you go out. Glossary. Bark. A hard covering on trees made of wood. Bloom. When a plant grows flowers. Bushes. Large plants with lots of branches, smaller than a tree. City. A place with lots of buildings and people. Cones. Dry wooden fruit that contains seeds. Desert. A dry place with very little rain. Earth. The name of the planet where all humans live. Garden. An area attached to a house where you can grow plants. Gardening. Planting and looking after plants in a garden. Habitat. A place where something lives. Petals. The colorful parts of a flower. Plain. A place that has flat land and very few plants. Rainforest. A very warm place that gets lots of rain and has lots of plants. Recycle. To use something again or turn it into something different. Season. The change in weather across a year. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter are seasons. Seeds. What new plants can grow from. Skyscrapers. Very tall buildings. Soil. Dirt that covers the ground or that can be put in a pot for plants to grow in. Sunlight. The light from the sun. Vines, long stems that grow along the ground or climb up objects. Weeds, plants that grow somewhere they are not wanted. Wildflowers, flowers that grow without humans planting them. Woodland, a place with lots of trees,